it's Sandra, and I wanted to do a video on some Madam Glam polishes that I just received, and these were complimentary, so I did not pay for them. And they are actually the magnetic polish that they came out with, and I really do love Madam Glam. I think their polish is outstanding. I love the colors. I can't even think of a color that they don't have that I would want. I mean, they've just got everything, and the polish is very nice to work with, very creamy. No problems with application. They're just nice polishes. So if you've never tried them, try them. Okay, so the 4 colors I have is Moonlit Romance, Love's Abyss, and I'm a pink freak, so I wanted to make sure I got pink, Sparkly Hearts, and Icy Touch. So we are going to do these one at a time because what I found out last time, and I don't do a lot of magnetic nails, and I've gotten some really bad magnetic nail polish, so I'm kind of hesitant to order them. But I presume that because Madam Glam does everything well, that these are going to be great. But I did learn a lot the last time I did a video on some magnetic gel. I think it was gel. No, it might have been regular polish. I don't know. So anyway, let's start off with Sparkly Hearts. And the one thing that I had learned was that you really have to use the magnet on every single coat that you do. And obviously, if you're doing it with gel polish, it stops. You don't have to worry about holding the magnet on there until the polish gets pretty dry. You just have to pop it into the UV light. So let's do our first coat here. We use the magnet. Ooh, that is really a tough magnet there. So let me see if that'll go back into place. This one is like an extra magnet, magnetic. So let me use the one that I have from ILNP also. Okay, so that's the first one. So I have till I put it under the light. So I'm going to put this under the light. Oh. All right, and then I'm going to grab another one. Let's do a different color, and let's use the different magnet. Let me put that over here. And this one is the Moonlit Romance. Let's see what this looks like. Let's try this one. Ooh, I like that one. All right, let's put that under the light. All right, let's try the next one. That was the Love's Abyss. Take these off. Oh, my nails. All right. So we've got all right, let's try Love's Abyss. I'll move this down here. So look how cool that one is. I really like that one. Okay. So let's try this one. These pinks are gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. This time let's try it with the round end. See what that does. I think I like the stripe down the middle better. Let's see. All right. And then the last one is Icy Touch. It's kind of a blue. It does look like an icy touch. Okay. Let's try this one again. Cool. I like that. I like it with the wider magnet. Oh, it's falling off. It's falling off. Ah. Boy, that didn't stick at all. Still not going to stick. Let's see. Good thing my fingernails are not done, because if they were, I'd be ticked off by now, because I would have messed them all up. So let's try this again. That's the good thing about having the gel polish opposed to having the regular polish. Okay, I'm going to leave that on there and just stick it in there. All right, because I'm being awfully clumsy. All right, so I'm going to put these all on the little rack once this one is done. We'll give it 2 coats here. Gosh, one wouldn't think 30 seconds is a long time, but when you're waiting for something to dry, especially nails, it just seems like it takes forever. Okay, so there we go. All right, so there these are. Now let's try this again. Now this one, I believe, is this one, which is Love's Abyss. We're going to do this. This time we're going to use... We're just going to do this one. All right, and then we're going to do this one, which is the Moonlight Romance. I like that. I really like that color. I'm a pink freak, but I really like this color. All right, so I learned a lesson, and that is once you use a magnet going on the first coat, you really should do the same on the second coat, because otherwise it just kind of mushes together. So that's another lesson learned. Another lesson learned. All right, and then we'll go ahead and do this blue one. This blue one just, must not have enough sticky stuff on there. It just does not want to stay. Okay. It's like, is it going to stay on while I light it? When I put it under the light, we will see. Yeah, I like this. I really do like the line across it, the horizontal line better. So let's do this one. And this one, I did not do the horizontal line the first time, so let's see if I can get this big blob off there. Let's see if we do it on this one. Turns out all right. Okay, that one turned out pretty good. Ooh, like the blue. It's barely hanging on for its life there. Well, I guess I can touch it now. Sticky. Okay, so there we go. It's not going to stay on, though. They want to run away. They want to run away. Okay, so those 2 coats is more than enough. I really love these colors. I really like the blue, too. I just told my daughter over the weekend I don't like blue nails, but I really like this. I love that. That's such an interesting combination with all the glitter and stuff in there. Okay, and there's the last one. So I take back what I said. I do think that if you change your mind, you're okay. I think it is a little bit more noticeable in the one that I was consistent, but you know, what are you going to do? Okay, so I got that, and then I'm going to put some top coat on here to find my Madam Glam top coat. Don't want a matte finish, that's for sure. Okay. Here's my top coat. I don't know, I think I was gonna say, I think I like these colors without even making them magnetic. I think they're gorgeous. But the magnetic definitely gives it a whole other look as far as I'm concerned. So there you have it. These are the 4 colors that I have, and it's magnetic gel polish. And it is by Madam Glam. And I think they are absolutely gorgeous. And they are called Soak Off Cat Eye Gel Polish. There you go. Gel polish. Very pretty. And I'm going to wait till this comes out so I can show you the end result with some top coat on there. And I think we're ready. And thank you to Madam Glam. I love the products. I think these are gorgeous colors. Let me zoom it in here a little bit so you can see it better. And again, if you've never gotten Madam Glam gel polish, get some because it's really nice. All right, well, I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.